Hello everyone. So, do you want to grow runner beans? You might ask why grow runner beans. We grow them because they're easy to grow and it's fun to grow your own veg. And it's even more fun to harvest these veg and share it with friends and family. These days, like everything else, vegetables are expensive. In this video, I will show you how to grow runner beans and what fertilizers to use. So, welcome to my channel, Vidya's Blissful Gardens. I chose Scarlet Emperor runner beans and I ordered the seeds from Amazon. I used them for about 2 years and after that I just let some of the beans ripen and form seeds and leave them on the climber and collect them to sow them next year. We tend to sow the seeds from mid-April to mid-May depending on the frost forecast. We sow them in little pots or trays and put them in little mini greenhouse which doesn't occupy much space and you can stand it near the house wall to keep it warm. This is not a heated greenhouse but it keeps the squirrels and the birds out and also protects the little plants from ground frost. Once the seedlings sprout, and it might take about 15 to 20 days, and when there are second set of leaves or a little twining climber starts, then you can put them out in the ground or in big tubs. At this stage, I usually sprinkle a handful of grow more around the plants and that will boost the growth. The beans will then need support. I use a metal obelisks or even better, bamboo sticks, about 3 or 4 of them in each tub or around the plants, and I tie them up at the top. In June, once the plants are settled and start twining around the support, I give another feed of fertilizer, but this time it's Miracle Grow fertilizer. You can use liquid fertilizer or granules and follow the instructions on the bottle. Those who want to use organic methods, you can use horse manure or chicken manure. But remember to use horse manure along with topsoil 50-50 so that you're not giving it too concentrated. In July, scarlet red flowers start appearing and then little beans will be appearing. That's when you want to give high potassium feed like a tomato feed. Tomato feed has high potassium, so it increases the crop. So I feed the plants every 2 to 3 weeks. So I mix 1 tablespoon of the liquid in 1 gallon of water. From early to mid-August, the beans are ready to harvest, and what fun it is to harvest them. You can cook runner beans with carrots, cabbage, cauliflower, mincemeat, potatoes, soaked lentils, and if you run out of recipes, you'll have to make up your own because that's how many beans you will be getting. And you will be needing more and more recipes. And of course, you will be sharing with all your friends and family. Hope you will also grow runner beans like me and get baskets full of crop. Hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to comment. And we'll meet again in another video. Until then, bye.